Good morning. We are students of Riyaz Kadam English Medium School. I am Anushka Jaiswal Chavan.
Hello, I am Miss Sanjana Ambadas Rahul.
I am Madhav Devendra Yamul. I am Srivatsa Srinivas Mucha.
Myself Simran Sanjay Virabar.
I am Vaishnavi Anand. We have made the project name separation of garbage, which automatically detects the dry waste and the wet waste, which is the form of memory management.
There are different types of solid waste. Some are hazardous and some are degradable. It is necessary to separate dry and wet waste, and it is also very difficult to separate these waste materials because as we know that the slum area region people they don't know about dry and wet waste, and it is very difficult to separate dry and wet waste manually. So our project is very useful for India and common people as it automatically detects the dry and wet waste. If the waste is not degraded and it is kept for long time, then it leads to infectious diseases, etc., and all like malaria, pneumonia, and other such diseases. In our device, this project is useful to separate the waste to dry and wet. Here we use the software device that is Arduino Uno, which is sends the message to the sensor connected here and camera. When we put the dry waste here, then it automatically it automatically identifies the waste and the waste is collected in the dustbin. When the waste is collected in the dustbin, then it sends a message from a device to the municipal corporation, and then we can easily take out this dustbin waste, and then we can easily take out this waste, and then this waste can be recycled into various fertilizers. Also this waste can be useful for farmers as well as in the cleanliness of our environment and ensures the road safety of our country.
There are many advantages of this device, such as it helps to clean the environment as it detects the different type of waste. It leads to more reliable and stable software.
It prevents the litter on road, ensuring the streets and in cleanness. It proves the slogan of Swachh Bharat, Sundar Bharat, ensuring the streets of clean of our nation.
Regiment arrangements.
We
So that
arranged like this. It separates the waste into dry and wet. If we put the garbage here, then it gets separated into dry and waste with the alarm. Then it sends the message to the municipal corporation, and the waste can be taken out easily, and it is used for many purposes, or it can be recycled again to help our nation safety ensures.
software arrangement what? We
We
should.
arranged here sensor, camera, and
Arduino Uno.
arranged the software device that is Arduino Uno. We arranged in such a way. These are the wires, and it sends the message to the sensor. When the garbage is put here, then it throws the garbage into dry or wet. It identifies the garbage and the waste get separated easily with the help of this device. Our project that is automatic garbage collection tool.
Slogan.
Swachh Bharat. Thank you.